Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and I hope you came thirsty because it is Thirsty Thursday, and these are grilled maple mules. Now these mules are really easy to make. Typically just 3 ingredients. You've got your lime juice, your ginger beer, and your vodka. Today we're gonna add a little bit of sweetness to that with some maple syrup and a little bit of that charred flavor by grilling off our limes. So first thing we're gonna do is just cut these limes in half and then go get a sear on that cut side. So onto the Yoder 640, the pellet grill. We've got the door removed underneath here so that we can get direct heat onto the griddle. And we're just gonna put a sear on the outside, or on the cut side, I should say, of these limes. Since we're not really looking to cook these limes so much as just sear them, I've got the temperature set to 500 degrees on the Yoder, and we're leaving that door open so we're not trapping heat in there. That way all of the heat is concentrated onto that skillet right underneath it. We got some decent char on these now. That's what we're looking to get. Let's go ahead and juice these and build our cocktails. So now we're gonna get all that char flavor worked into our lime juice that's going into the mules. This stuff is pretty pulpy, so we're gonna strain it before we build these drinks. All right, let's build it up now. We got our Tito's. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup or 2 ounces in each of our mule mugs that are filled with ice right now. Good Lord, this is why I cook, not drink. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of our grilled lime juice to each one. I'm just gonna eyeball about 1.5 teaspoons of maple syrup here. Just a little bit, just enough to sweeten it up and get that maple flavor. And then we're gonna top these off with ginger beer. So now let's garnish these up with a slice of lime on each one and have a taste. All right, gave that a little stir, and now it's sipping time. That is refreshing. Ginger's there for sure. Catching some of that lime. You get some caramelization, some of those flecks of that char in there as well. The maple's very subtle, but it adds a nice, just little touch of sweetness. And then, let's be honest, the vodka's just there to make us happy. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.